Namaste and welcome back to our series of all about weight loss. So we are now on part 2 and I must tell you that the response to part 1, your responses to part 1, the comments and the test results that you've shared have really excited me and encouraged me to do a good job. So before we go any further in this journey of weight loss, I wanted to spend some time talking to you about what are the hurdles in the journey of weight loss. जब आप weight loss करना चाहते हो तो वो कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो आपके रास्ते के आड़ आ जाती है. Most of the times we want to lose weight because we want to get healthy, but the methods that we adopt for weight loss are healthy for प्रॉफिट मेकिंग कंपनीज ऑफ द वेट लॉस एंड फूड इंडस्ट्रीज. मतलब मैं क्या आपको बताना चाहती हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, बट every time that you're talking about I want to lose weight because I want to get healthy, you know, we need to identify, is this something which is going to make people healthy or me as a person healthy, or is this something which is simply going to serve the need of making profits healthy for people who are constantly selling us the idea of weight loss. All right, तो हम लोग ये कैसे जान पाएंगे? So the three main things that you need to look out for, and the three main things which are completely profit oriented, which drive people into their weight loss journey are, number one, most times अगर आप success story on social media, you know, अगर आप देखोगे तो इनवेरिएबली यू विल सी सम सक्सेस स्टोरी ऑन सोशल मीडिया. मैं इतने किलो की थी, मैंने 2 महीने में इतना वजन कम कर दिया, अभी मुझे एनर्जेटिक लग रहा है, अभी मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, अभी मुझे ये लग रहा है, अभी मुझे वो लग रहा है, मेरे 12 किलो व्हाटएवर, यू नो. एंड देन वी गेट एक्साइटेड बाय दोज स्टोरीज एंड देन वी साइन अप फॉर मेथड्स which are not sustainable. What we have to understand that it is not about, because most of this is about how quickly did I lose weight, but it is not about quickly and instantaneously. What we have to look at is sustainability. तो सस्टेनेबिलिटी का मतलब क्या है? सस्टेनेबिलिटी का मतलब ये है कि हमको ये जान लेना चाहिए दैट आई डिड नॉट गेट 10 kilos heavier or 20 kilos heavier from what I used to weigh in my 20 overnight by the time I'm 40. मतलब अगर आज मैं 20 किलो ओवरवेट हूँ या 30 किलो ओवरवेट हूँ या 10 किलो ओवरवेट हूँ, तो ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मैं कल 50 किलो की सोई और आज 80 किलो की उठी. You know, it has taken us 15 years, 20 years, at least 5 years to get to this place. So then what should we do to ensure that not just do we go down from this place, but that we never, you know, this incidence of gaining weight doesn't reoccur in our life. तो उसके लिए अपने को क्या करना पड़ेगा? अपने को थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारे बार हम लोग क्विक मेथड्स के लिए तभी भी फॉल करते हैं when we go to meet a doctor and the doctor will tell us lose your weight. You know, आपको बैक प्रॉब्लम है, डायबिटीज का प्रॉब्लम है, ब्लड प्रेशर का प्रॉब्लम है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, आप वजन कम करो. बहुत से बार हम लोग एक फिगर हियर करते हैं, lose 10 kilos. Have you heard that before? I want you to now spend some time in understanding what is this 10 kilos that most of us hear. So the 10 kilos that we hear is not quite correct. Okay? Correct मतलब वो आपके health के लिए it is not correct. Sustainability essentially means that losing weight in a way that doesn't come back and it continues to improve your health. मतलब क्या है कि 10% of your body weight you should lose in about a year. तो अगर आपने आज 100 किलोस पे चालू किया जून 21 में, तो बाय 100 minus 10 you should be 90 by end of June 22. You know, वहाँ से you should be another -9 by 23. वहाँ से you should be another whatever, you know, -8 by So this is 22, this is 23, and by 2024, you should be, let's say, somewhere around 70. You know, my maths is poor, but I hope you're getting what I'm saying, that it needs to be a 10% loss. That way, you're able to enjoy your life and you're able to have good skin, good hair, good blood sugar regulation, good blood pressure regulation, you know, a full life, a life which is not deprived, and you're seeing consistent weight loss. Unfortunately, जब हम सक्सेस स्टोरी से एक्साइट हो जाते हैं तो क्या होता है, हम लोग 100 से लेट्स से 85 2 महीने में ही आ जाते हैं, और फिर 85 से हम लोग 110 2 हफ्ते में आ जाते हैं. फिर ये 110 से अपने को 90 भी उतरने के लिए, या फिर बाद में पब्लिक कॉम्प्रोमाइज करता है, बोलता है चलो एटलीस्ट 100 भी उतरने के लिए अपने को 2 साल 3 साल 4 साल, it seems like it's just not going to come down. So it's extremely important to take a more sustainable approach and to convert, every time you read a success story, convert it into a sustainable story. So success stories, don't let success stories, don't get carried away by success stories. Stay rooted in the story of sustainability. And sustainability ke liye, you must ensure that if you are going to talk about weight at all, it should not be more than 10%, and you have to constantly use, ideally don't even get carried away by body weight, get much more rooted in what your resting heart rate is, what your sit and reach is, and what your waist and hip is, because that really is the true measure of fitness, not body weight. All right, so this is the first hindrance, the success stories that you read. The second thing that kind of we get carried away by is this over scientification of a cultural and a social act of eating. Now we've almost reduced food to carbohydrate, protein, fat, and calories, and almost every food decision that we make or every new diet that we go on is decided by carbohydrate, protein, fat and calories. जैसे कि लाइफ में और कुछ है ही नहीं. It is like saying कि ever smiling लड़की से शादी कर लो, जिंदगी सुधर जाएगी, या अमीर लड़के से शादी कर लो, जिंदगी सुधर जाएगी. We do know that to live a real life we need much more than an ever smiling wife or a rich man or whatever. We are able to smile by ourselves, we are able to make money also by ourselves. What we need in a partner is very different from their looks and height and weight and complexion. Similarly, what we need from food is much more than just carbohydrate, protein, fat and calories. They may have carbohydrate, protein, fat and calories, but that's not the beginning and the end of any kind of food. So basically, instead of looking at food from the point of view of protein, carbohydrate, fat and calories, look at it from the point of view of what is local, seasonal and traditional. And to continue losing weight in a sustainable manner, what you will actually need to look at is also, is it compliant to my culture? मेरे कल्चर के हिसाब से है क्या, मेरे क्लाइमेट के हिसाब से है क्या, मेरे क्विजीन के हिसाब से है क्या. सो थिंक अबाउट दोज थिंग्स. अगर हम लोग पोहा भी खाते हैं तो नागपुर में भी अलग टाइप का पोहा बनता है, इंदौर में भी अलग टाइप का पोहा बनता है, इवन दो दे आर सो क्लोज टू ईच अदर. अगर अपने एक रीजन में पराठा बनता है तो किसी और रीजन में सत्तू बनता है, तो किसी थर्ड रीजन में इडली बनता है, तो किसी चौथे रीजन में नून चाय बनता है. सो वी कैन नॉट ऑल गिव अप ऑन दिस डाइवर्सिटी एंड जंप ऑन दिस होल बैंड वैगन ऑन कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन एंड फैट. दिस विल हेल्प द प्रॉफिट्स ऑफ वेट लॉस industry. This is not going to make you any healthier than what you currently are. So you don't have to give up on eating food that you grew up eating just to lose weight. So think about it like like doing शादी. बहुत लोगों का ये मानना होता है कि that's the popular wisdom कि अगर शादी में कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करोगे तो शादी कैसे चलेगी. But what is the reality कि शादी को चलाना ही नहीं है. अगर शादी का मजा उठाना है तो all that you have to do is that you have to accommodate for another person in your life, and for that you don't have to finish or एंड योर ओन आइडेंटिटी एज अ पर्सन. खुद को खत्म करके शादी चलाने का जरूरत नहीं है, फिर वो चल भी गई तो आपको मजा नहीं आता है. सिमिलरली खुद को खत्म करके सिर्फ प्रोटीन खाना, खुद के लाइक्स को खत्म करके सिर्फ फैट का शॉट से दिन का शुरुआत करना, खुद को खत्म करके चावल छोड़ देना जस्ट टू लूज वेट, उसमें आपको हेल्थ नहीं मिलने वाली है. बिकॉज हेल्थ, हैप्पीनेस, हार्मनी इज ऑल टुगेदर. To find health, happiness and harmony, it needs to be food which is culture, cuisine and climate compliant. कि हम लोग समर में मैंगो खाते हैं, हम लोग विंटर में लेट्स से गाजर हलवा खाते हैं, या हम लोग फेस्टिवल्स के टाइम पे पूरी खाते हैं, या अभी रेनी सीजन के टाइम पे आप भजिया खाओगे, और ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस आप रेगुलर रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल टाइप खाते हो. सो यू नीड अ डाइट which gives you the confidence to stay within your culture, cuisine and climate, that it is not constantly talking to you from the point of view of carbohydrate, protein and fat and calories, because now nutrition science knows that this isn't very useful, counting food as carbohydrate, protein, fat and calories. सिर्फ प्रोटीन अगर आप खाओगे, सिर्फ प्रोटीन एंड फैट, तो कीटो डाइट्स के भी बहुत सारे साइड इफेक्ट्स है जो आपको दिखाई देंगे. अगर मतलब आप कैलोरीज रिड्यूस करोगे तो उसके भी बहुत सारे आपको साइड इफेक्ट्स दिखाई देंगे. अंटिल 10 years ago फैट वॉज द विलन, कि खाली आपको फैट निकालने का है आपके डाइट में से और आप पतले हो जाओगे. 10 साल के बाद में कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज द विलन, आज आपको सिर्फ कार्बोहाइड्रेट निकालने का है और आप पतले होने वाले हो. तो द फूड इंडस्ट्री कीप्स ensuring that you're just dancing amongst these nutrients, so don't do that. And then the third thing, और ये अभी नया चालू हुआ है वेट लॉस इंडस्ट्री का, it is called as cultural appropriation. okay, कल्चरल अप्रोप्रिएशन मतलब कॉन्स्टेंटली अपने को ये ही बताना कि अरे ये तो आप ही के कल्चर का है, पर हम अभी आपको बताएंगे कि आपको इसे कैसे यूज करने का है वेट लॉस के लिए, एंटी इन्फ्लेमेशन के लिए, एंटी एजिंग के लिए, एंटी वॉटेवर के लिए, सारी चीजें उसमें इंक्लूड हो जाती है. सो सम ऑफ द प्राइम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ दिस इज लेट्स से हल्दी जो हम लोग हमारे कल्चर में हमेशा दाल में डालते थे या तड़के में डालते थे या हल्दी दूध पीते थे. अभी अगर हम लोग उसके शॉट्स लेने लगे, अगर हम उसका कर्क्यूमा लेने लगे, अगर हम लोग उसके पिल्स लेने लगे, then the weight loss industry has used cultural appropriation to make profits out of us. The same with intermittent fasting. A lot of people are like, अरे लेकिन फास्टिंग तो आप ही के कल्चर का है. हाँ, लेकिन आपके कल्चर का है, लेकिन हम लोग हर रोज फास्टिंग नहीं कर रहे थे. कोई भी कल्चर में हर रोज फास्टिंग नहीं होता है, ना ही किसी भी कल्चर में फास्टिंग वॉज यूज्ड एज अ मेथड ऑफ लाइक weight loss or coming on social media and saying, hey, I'm feeling so energetic today, I went without food all day, or I'm not eating anything, I only eat 1 meal a day, I only eat 2 meals a day and stuff like that. तो एकादशी या लेंट या फिर रमज़ान या फिर नवरात्र, आप कौन सा भी, या अभी अगर आएगा वट पूर्णिमा, कौन सा भी आप फास्ट लो, इट वॉज नॉट अबाउट वेट लॉस, एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली इट वॉज नॉट मेंट for every day. So taking one aspect of your culture and getting you to overdo it because somewhere it resonates with what you have been doing is another trap that has been laid out by the weight loss industry to increase its profits. So success stories on social media, scientification of diets by using words like carbohydrate, protein and fat, and cultural appropriation of your practices, and like really magnifying them and getting you to do them on a daily basis. इन तीनों चीजों से आपको बचना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि these are the things which will tempt you. Now I'll tell you the interesting thing about this. The interesting thing about this is that this works मतलब क्या, कि इससे वेट लॉस तो होता है, ओके, बट नाउ यू नो एज पीपल हु आर बेटर एजुकेटेड कि वेट लॉस जो है ये 2 पार्ट्स से होता है, फैट वेट, लीन बॉडी वेट. ऑल ऑफ दीज मेथड्स डू नॉट गेट यू टू डिक्रीज योर फैट वेट. So they may lead to a drop in body weight, but they do not lead to a drop in fat weight. And anything that doesn't lead to a drop in fat weight but only leads to a drop in body weight is making you older, is making you sicker, and is making you slower. उम्र के साथ हम लोग slow, old, and eventually मरने तो वाले ही है. So why should we adopt diets in our current life which will make us slower, older, weaker, fatter at a faster pace than what we are meant to do? So weight loss, body weight को measure ही मत कीजिए, like the way I was saying, because all of these things will lead to a loss of body weight but they will not lead to a loss of fat weight. Yes, this also includes fasting. This is also confirmed by the latest research that is available in the field of nutrition science for all of these practices, because nutrition science is now wholeheartedly backing sustainability as a method of getting healthier and as a method of losing weight. Because eventually in the future, if there are going to be more infectious diseases and stuff like that, we need to ensure that the approach that we take to health is sustainable and it's not instantaneous, that it is an approach which leads to improvement in lean body weight, decrease in fat weight, एंड देन बॉडी वेट को मारो गोली, उसको जिधर जाने का है वो जाएगा. लेकिन ये सब चीजें अगर आप फॉलो करोगे तो लाइक आई सेड बॉडी वेट उतरेगा, फैट वेट नहीं उतरेगा, विच इज द बिगेस्ट डेंजर of all of these diets, which is also why when you do these diets there is a compromise on lean body weight, there is an increase in fat weight, which is why with time the body begins to get resistant to weight loss, because पहले से ही fat weight उतर ही नहीं रहा है. So I hope that you have understood these basics and that you are able to protect yourself in the future from the temptation of weight loss, which actually doesn't lead to any loss of fat weight. Okay, so with all this gyan, can I give you 2 more tests to do? So I'm now going to ask you, though I know I've given you one big long lecture, all right, let me just give you one test to do. So one more test which will allow you to understand that the diet that I will share from tomorrow, so tomorrow I'll talk to you about the 5 foods. I was going to talk to you about it today, but then I thought नहीं, लेकिन आपके weight loss के journey में तो hurdles तो आएंगे. So now when people work with us one-on-one, we have the chance and the opportunity to sit down with them and to explain these things to them. But with you, I may not have that opportunity, which is why I decided that let me just do a class on this so that you're better educated. And that success stories, scientification and cultural appropriation, these are 3 things that you need to watch out for, lead to weight loss, don't lead to fat loss. Okay, and another quick test so that you know how to measure. You've done your sit and reach where you've sat at the edge of the chair. You have also done your waist measurement, you've done your hip measurement. This morning, I'm sure a whole lot of you have also done your resting heart rate. Now what I'm going to talk to you about is one more test where you kind of learn to measure the strength and the stamina in your lower body. तो उसके लिए अपने को क्या करना पड़ेगा, that you have to use a stopwatch or like simply the seconds का काटा on your watch and give yourself 1 full minute, and 1 full minute में you have to just go down. So stick the chair to the wall, so just go down so that your butt kind of just about touches the chair, and then you stand up. So you measure yourself for a full 60 seconds and see how many times can you sit down and stand up. Can you sit down and stand up? अगर ऐसा लगेगा कि बहुत आप breathless हो रहे हो तो रुक जाइए. अगर आपकी strength अभी currently इतनी है कि आप ऐसे बैठे और फिर उसके बाद में थोड़ी सांस पकड़ के ऐसे आप उठ गए, तो मे बी यू कैन डू 2 or 3 in a minute, but that is also an assessment. So write 2 or 3. If you are one of those types who is just bouncing on and off the chair, take your measure and write it, whether it is 20 or 30. Starting tomorrow, what we will discuss in terms of food and exercise will lead to an improvement irrespective of the place that you start from. Whether you start from a place where you are just about 1 or 2 in the minute, or whether you start at a place where you are 20 or 30 in a minute, you will see steady improvements in those measures, along with the measure of your sit and reach and that of your waist and hip. I think that's a lot of gyan for one full day. Think about it, chew on it. See me tomorrow. I'm going to be talking to you about the 5 foods that you need to get into your diet so that you're doing better on your fitness parameters and leading a healthier and a happier life. Thank you very much. The book that I was talking about yesterday is this one, the 12-week fitness project, and the very first one that I wrote was this one, Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight. If you don't have them, get them. That's your reading material. Bye bye.